alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. No, I just say.
What's it?
I just say.
What's it me want to say?
Aye.
And I'm saying me alhamdulillah.
I'm saying. I don't want to say so. Only oh.
Bia me matran zongo me alhamdulillah.
Go better I try. Go better.
Who would you be pushing me? Who's our brand to me? There's no way I'll allow myself to be pushed by you. Who's our brand to me?
Zongo better try.
Me matran overcome zongo. Matran wa.
Overcome zongo no minimum.
Only overcome. Oh, matran overcome my KCC school more. Later crime metna what they buy you na Israel oh na what no
catch a cake na na che say
what say
we got a catch a cake na che say
eno nya house
aka won ti house chado
me say eno nya house
chado won ti house
papa na me nche was this year yen ko 10:45
won ti house eza house won ti ba so so ya na Russia no pay o che da yes o ti kakra ba won ti
kina jina house
no me ya za kira
o mi bi sa question
kina de
kina jina house
basa o be ya za kuma afro aba eno abebu ha o se kasa
Kasi mufa hashtag there remove the cap but ne be
and no nipa be say you look even better with a sakura than normal hair but I say no cre nti po asheda you know dey be say ma what is the update on the hair no say
update in this what check what's our brand TV update a woman say o cheche
o dey yin yen hwa dey
say dey
na say no na she kotokozi abo na ele
say I matna
patra Los Angeles waka after we go so na go
straight to LA
me so dey cheni
onya analysis na
o dey cheni en shekeke
on fry ala man
we fro bia ni cheni
I count 2 minutes
any possible
2 minutes
yeah minimum time
nti so the better analysis so the better deal
o dey say dey cheni keke that's all
say dey
I chenu na watie fo hu se still sakura e bia ko fi ko du anyi ni be dey I chenu ni hu se sakura o dey yi o dey pa which
nana kwakuti for say dey remove your cap Richardo
o dey say afi hu ni e bia kwa
oh so ta sakura
o dey bia
na ha mi go do anyway tie and no branch no be ono na yimi o so nim say D Black na yimi me D Black ko tun be fi na be and no live on radio live on TV o yim sakola
do pon ro ko siesie ho ma
onya ho we that the only thing bagovi you said no we could do fi na as a brand ba me ho
yeah
ti me ko fa ni free school say me ko na check up
yeah
nti no hu na ira dem no
yeah
na say a road dem kakra
yeah
na say be careful no me yi no o jino hwe me a 5 minutes on kata me
Azuri enye papa ni mo ko fa de papa bra
akwem se nyo no
aye papa ni o mo nya fa so ko fa de papa bra
obisa say daddy adai
daddy
the esi na esi no
oh
anope wa hwe me sa otimi tena ba bi 10 minutes
oh so sure say ne papa ni
so o say like ono ebisa no questions
yes yeah
is it my father and enyo no
ne papa ro ni no mo sakura
ni
ba de fe ho why ne rich so what if you want to go
ni nyina ya wo sa branch
no 2 minutes the same start analysis in 2 minutes we
me
no I just want to show one side can you use ampa
oh any problem any
to the page channel ni use biele wa aze ejaba ho aze to shine
is it me Xavier Clemente Rabbi Yankupon. Nina Morim.
But and that's a too shiny. But only good off our water.
It's dead down.
It's only I say.
Is it what you grab when you Manchester United.
And as we are very fine, we be very okay. It's only and worry. We are very come.
Me background, me background.
Amori madaro.
Amorim.
It's and you go on na transfer no more there. Window no, more there, and also for a lot of the teams, Chelsea money are there this weekend. They will see they'll be able to sign certain players and also want me sign no more. But me pay the Barça here. Wow, home say wow, home boss yesterday.
I go be at the traffic light. Jesus ana so your friend Mary.
Yeah.
So na bi hu ya shampa. Obi gina ho kra hu send the picture no. And they say sana mtiri wan e. A chamiro shoe.
Yeah, we are very fine. We are very fine. It's
entrance.
Eko. And no radio. Official.
Okay.
RAPHINHA extending the contract in Barça. And ODS when you the tank when say me GD say our Barça team you know the most important player RAPHINHA. And I like the fact say Barça
I disagree.
Oh yeah. Because we stand there we know. Lamine Yamal you believe say that he has been more decisive than RAPHINHA.
Yeah.
But me you know I don't think say there will be any form of decisiveness without numbers, you know. And whilst Lamine has been good, RAPHINHA has been better in my opinion. And Barça for them on a contract extension, no, which is good. I like what Deco Koye interview, no, kind of rich. Deco Kokan said, "Omunyo imagine said they will go into next season with players somewhere 1 year, I come a contract. Someone yes, I don't know. So every player be and any player what Barça team, they deem you important, you know, on my contract extension. And they started with Hansi Dieter Flick. And you want Hansi Flick, I know. He deserves a vote of confidence, and I know, and Barça for the man with a contract extension on the man. And it's rich. Abofune, I'm going to see your crewman. They won't wait for the contract to run out. I will be paid on a catch and say, oh, and the crowd will match the offer. Then, before the contract runs out, they come to you and tell you, say. It's Abrantia, your friend of RAPHINHA, and your contract extension to 2028. Now, in front of sport, almost say merecido, deserved for Abantia, your friend RAPHINHA. It's a good one for him. When you go in front of Mundo Deportivo, the next headline I want to air, next is Yamal. The next contract extension is Yamal. And now, see this picture. Only say 2 nights before, now Barça players no have dinner after so winning the Spanish La Liga. But Lamine Yamal was absent. Ferran Torres was absent. And in Central Bible, started with a question, say, why was Lamine Yamal absent? And now early in the morning, a branch of friend Lamine Yamal, any super agent Jorge Mendes Kokoshia in a restaurant in the city center of Barcelona. The discussion is that because Jorge is the agent of Lamine Yamal, Nabasa for a propose a contract extension for him, no. Or only Lamine ne papa ne Busiano, they will give them an insight of contract now Barça for some de boy no. Then he can go ahead, proceed to look at it, and then say Lamine Yamal 18 now. He can sign the contract. This is Lamine in 18. Officially, he can't sign a contract until he's 18. So now I'll be represented fully by Jorge Mendes. Or the 18 now, then he goes in. Rich Nhyira to say in the contract, you know, Lamine will be the highest paid player in Barcelona. At age 17. Highest paid player in Barcelona. Maybe a Barca for no, yeah, James Lamine is more decisive than RAPHINHA. If that's the case.
Yeah. So, William. Just that, you can be beyond the numbers. I agree.
I'm going to Lamine a botting.
Yeah, po. I drew stage where you be pulling numbers. But me, I feel, say, we numbers if you are. Yeah. The most decisive player in the Barcelona team is Lamine Yamal. On a college shot, you know.
Barca for one contract extension. I'm the man obey the highest paid player of Barca team.
Because RAPHINHA and I can go.
Yeah.
the goals are all shiny and in na. Yeah, certain boy friend no.
Lamine
Yamal. On na ye bibi adba no. So me feel say team na nkasa baso and you see don't forget.
Yeah.
Is a Ballon d'Or common crown. So only Barça for ni dia, omu feel say boy is omu projecting no. It's Lamine Yamal.
But
he's their boy.
No, but Barça for this is say RAPHINHA.
Because of numbers.
But say numbers no NH.
Man born there. Born there.
But then it says obo. Apa we see rich. Lamine Yamal born efe. Come on. But I think that this season rich she saw Benfica matching. She Madrid. Like big games Atletico de Madrid where Barca needed somebody. Yes, Lamine Yamal has done his part, but consistently throughout the season.
Proud to so obeshe goal.
Yeah.
Why na year Germany ni ansana. RAPHINHA de born to na.
And it's sad yanke the Pedri mu na be beba.
No. Afi.
Yeah.
Obi a wa hwe Barcelona games biya.
Yeah.
Whenever go be a bit decide the game Barcelona airborne. And Lamine Yamal na yeni na. Na bia RAPHINHA mu bi Lewandowski mi no ma bo dey
I don't think we ever agree on this Lamine Yamal. You call it truth. Na yenye ma Barca for no somra. No ma me change say between Lamine Yamal and RAPHINHA. Who really is the most decisive one for team friend Barcelona for this season? Maybe catch you 1 week or so ago say Luka Modric a phone after Xabi Alonso. Akachene say, oh, we've played together. I would love to stay here and play under you, even at age 40. For a lot of the whispers, a free mass aside Ebano, according to them, Xabi Alonso had agreed to allow Luka Modric stay on with him because Onokrano of a seamless transition. Senebeya, Bana Oba team a friend in Madrid, no, Obenya senior players one because egos no so. Rich. Yesterday, the whispers became bolder, and then it has become official. Say, Abranti friend Luka Modric, Madrid for one say yes, they love what he has given to them, or a good player, or a legend. In fact, in the history of Real Madrid, the most decorated player is not Alfredo Di Stefano. And yet, whoever you think it is, Cristiano Ronaldo, Raul Gonzalez, no, it is a certain Croat called Luka Modric. Oh no, and Madrid in here, what genius pa? Leagues, Champions League, Copa del Rey, Super Copa de España, Club World Cups, name it. Waje. But Madrid, if you want to say, they think that one shiniya na insuono ache ewo eyinima manage here. It is sad that they should allow Luka Modric go. Why be any day? Everybody has gone. Omo Luka Modric enko. You see, say City ama Kevin De Bruyne cry. You can understand why Madrid wants Luka Modric to go. Because one thing here that may catch you as a sporting director, you will be tempted to hold on to certain players and certain things with nostalgia. That they be you can't moment. No. One sure you hold on to it to the extent say, instead of starting planning for the future, you won't do it. Rich and now all the Madrid players go Instagram, everybody went on to go and say thank you to our branch friend Luka Modric, including Karim Mustafa Benzema, Cristiano Ronaldo, Luka Modric. Everybody went on to tell him, say, yeah, that's it for Adia Wayama. Rich, do you know the kind of worms as Luka Modric in Koyeno, Aquaco BM, and English Premier League? Madrid, for Egypt, say they are messed up in not replacing Toni Kroos. And say, Luka Modric, it means that two senior midfielders that have gone in the space of just 2 seasons, when replace you, then you have trouble. Enzo Fernandez interview Argentina months ago. Immediately this Luka Modric story began to come. There was a part of the interviewer. Enzo Fernandez said, Argentina national team need to why not tight standing China so Julian Alvarez. And I'll say, okay, fine. I'm not then I'm going to say, FIFA. Also, FIFA team men are offer. If Enzo Fernandez are no, me for Real Madrid, only Real Madrid. Then the whispers around Argentina is saying, oh, Madrid. Maybe that's why he wants to go there. Rich, the truth of the matter is that Madrid want a Galactico midfielder. Obi in the shape of Enzo Fernandez. Obi Timia Bobo and control from deep line areas and can really be the mainstay of Fiifi on form. Say Enzo Kwase Madrid team Manua. Or yeah, pure 6, first phase. Then Chumeni or Kamavinga will sit next to him as a creator or protector when he's on the ball. It's Madrid for love him. In fact, most of the whistles now they free at the internet and say, oh, say Chelsea ever Andre Santos there. Then they can sell Enzo Fernandez and then pay way for Andre Santos to push him into their team. Chelsea were very, very quick. There's this guy called Patty. He's not a journalist, but very close to Chelsea technical team. You know. Only no big break is our story, the first for me to see on Twitter. No, because Chelsea for I quick. I contacted Madrid, and everybody involved in Madrid they say there is no way they will sell Enzo Fernandez. Almost £105 million from Benfica, January of 2 seasons ago. But Enyadi Ombeto Enzo Fernandez. Adichie and I saw some Matt Law, David Austin, and then Fabrizio Romano all quickly came to say, Chelsea for what's saying, including Jacobs Ben. So Rich, Chelsea for have been clear in not selling him. Obi Beka say, na say Madrid for the discover, convince Enzo Fernandez that they will frustrate him to go. This is why in Tia Todd Ball started projects. No, Omo said they will give players to long-term contracts. Obeka in explaining side they be Mbappe catch say, e maybe be do Madrid beba Enzo ho. E maybe do Madrid beba Reece ho. But what is your bargaining power? The length of the contract. And then Okoshe Reece Enzo Fernandez contract can is 7 years with Chelsea. Iti Enkoye said then has at the end na can 1 year now. Oka say o man nkwa udi mwase because you have to take the money or he will go for free. And then if Chelsea say they won't let Enzo Fernandez go, it's either say Madrid more than 105 million euros to 105 million pounds to get him, then Chelsea gets profit, or they keep their player Enzo Fernandez and now no pay. Enzo Maresca acquired pre-match press conference in preparation for Nottingham Forest. And Mubisa need the same Enzo Fernandez story. I say he's staying. 7 years contract. He say they this Kadaima. And I'm back before.
What on say?
It's 105.
And to Baton say.
In 180. Madrid, what's what to Madrid? What's what to play?
Oba the no be.
On your secret, that's only a ton.
What be a day?
And you want now see transfer market in your Tony. Me too.
Auto play and say 105. 105. What are you 110?
Aye.
Oba Waji Premier League.
On you, Bibia.
FA Cup Waji.
Matthias Cunha now. Matthias Matthias Cunha now.
Oberton say.
Leipzig for ton Benjamin.
Now Lamine Yamal Grebaton say. Lamine
Yamal 1 billion. Pedro 1 billion.
Oh, chairman. Me enquire him no Madrid for Rubianca so pedo. One no coffee for stories be free in Madrid for Bianca to open. Oh, stories they created too much. Madrid no man the Enzo here. Or they on the name.
But of a
chairman enquire him Enzo as no. Madrid you play players I on the name.
Onyadio.
Bruno Fernandes What's I'm getting
no could you friend can say me sure say we own true story ever for Kuma would for. Because obviously I do a story now the by say and we did a special for share with the serious. Anyway, because a man and the catcher match a kabu guy who must person confess.
Economy we are DB dressing room. This will be
Just say Enzo Fernandez. And none of Thomas Partey and 7 about him. Mikel Arteta said he wants to give him the contract extension. And in terms of consistency, so you're one of Arsenal's best players. Chelsea striker and come on air. Me person me dinner after Sunday.
No problem.
Because there are a lot of things I want to talk about over there.
Okay.
But still only a Chelsea near. We know that everything goes down to the wire. Maresca and Manfred know exactly what is up for them to make sure so beating a winning some match no Asha against team my friend in Nottingham Forest. And then you want to Italian Serie A.
My chef is no two no. Como Inter Napoli Cagliari.
Yeah.
Napoli so no tifie no obo.
Cagliari cross we need Bibia.
Oh no,
had
nothing to lose.
Qualifying for Europe.
Come on, so form. And Fabregas be person be season, you know.
Yeah,
in a grand style. So
imagine Fabregas stopping Inter.
I mean, the headlines, you know.
Yeah.
Obinya. It looks like a Napoli winning the Serie A.
I think that me know Yajine. Say Napoli be Jumano and Naples Kumono already they started. I see na Cagliari for the team hotel and at Neapolitan fans no to tour you or them. The expected lineup is going to be like this: Di Lorenzo, Rachmani, Oliveira, Spinazzola, Mattia Politano, Frank Andres, Zomba Anguissa, Gilmore, McTominay, Raspoderi, and Lukaku with merit in post. I think that should be enough. Antonio Conte should win his 10th Scudetto, 5 times as a player, 5 times as a manager, and we be the 3rd different club of your magic. 5 times as a player with Juventus, 1 time, a couple of times with Juventus as a manager, Inter Milan or the Omoji, and again with team friend in Napoli. But Rich, make Gina Sanka say Napoli nyaji league we are. And you want to say right after saying Beji League, Antonio Conte be Jumana to honor, and then you move on to other things.
From God, to guy na judgment in
so. Fan to na. Me who say if we have a besra na unwana. You unyana o Chawi. Say hello to him.
Hey, atai. Mini atai.
Rich mo ko ziri akweda we
just. Babu good mpacho. Wo mi bo good man. Now I branch away the idea why you me wo. I branch the message bi abana. And you will move in Kosu Kakamamina. Really win in Kosu Kakamamina. And say, my phone is there. I don't know the reason why I say, maybe messages no. Oh, do I? No, Kosu Kakra. Aha, aye. Where am I out, don't pray? I say, why have we in Share FM allowed a hip hop star to host? I think I'm too far. I say, Richard looks like Samakata boy. Goodness. The boys in the first one we in as a mini channel.
Let's tell you yesterday, you can.
Huh? Mini channel.
No, but a channel. No, but to be honest, Nipa almost post, almost sending me messages, any tweets or Twitter, and I say, you look very good in the heart. So I don't know why changing up is a we. Like, you actually look good. Without a channel.
What do you say? No, I'm saying,
Lukaku.
I quit you.
Also, to be honest, this is never bad on him.
Okay.
Rich is a handsome man with this cat. He looks more handsome in my eyes. Honestly speaking, Efatano Pa, he should be shaving like this. Jabel Abdul Aziz. Today, you last one, man. You last one, man. Why? You last one, man.
I ran to the best.
You last one, Rich. You last one. Today, you last one. You start saying, don't be money. Today, you last one.
Oh, me today. Any
last one. Pauli, me so you ready now?
Okay.
Now, so they are for me. But I say, I saw you black. Hey, how would you be a one?
Hey, did you oil?
Monsieur, I don't know so confident. Baby, more coats, Eddie Abba. Where your coats are, and I the coffee case. Buy a fine man. We're a fine man. We're a fine man. No, go be here.
Me say, next time, bonai. Would you pay the bone and bracket? Just
Junior born a
coming through to a grab.
You go.
Aquati mood. Any baby, yeah.
It will you.
What is that now? Penman and Bovie. I saw Penny Pa. Dr. Pabu. I'm not going to answer.
Well, maybe I mentioned about that. I shall buy this in BR 500 cities. Hey, and the code here, the coffee gets here, Michelle. First one here 1E, 4E, 160E.
Who meeting and the phone or the show? No, I crack it.
Second code row 1E, 4E 1B 39. This will be 1E 4E 1B 39. Third one here 1E 49 EB 70. And that next one here 1E 49 E2 FD, and the last one here 1E 49 CE 2A. These are the codes and here they could figure same. To wait me screenshot it and next so they are obviously me actual to one and then Nyaminto greens and go your codes and so my rich.
It has to be. It has some yeah.